Lift the locking handle. Place the milk capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Count 30 seconds or adjust to your preferred cup size. Move the lever back to the stop position. Once the milk flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green. Keep in mind the milk level on your cup as a guide for future preparations. Remove the capsule. Tip it into a bin. Continue with the coffee capsule.